Maybe 541.
I don't think the thing or the bottom. Indeed, there was no electron. And so
For them. So this is heat sink for the SSH. So should definitely go like that. And oh, where is this? This thing has some place.
that's my prayer.
Found it. Where it goes. So you have to be fully.
Like this.
That I need.
Like even more like the contraption.
I think I have that.
You plug it like facing. I don't know what we're trying to do, but
Next this one that guy. It were
try out.
can you and continue to possibly.
Nope. I would love if I could. And try. Oh, I got it. Plugging in direction.
Thank you.
So now, all that we need then and then cover top function flow. This would be you can do it. Good. Computer is separate, but you still walk with it. What's wrong with it? Plug it in as well.
Here we go. Just
What's happening? Plug it in this way.
give me 1 second. Do you think it's fine?
Oh, yeah, so this is. So now you need to screw it in. And then the same for all. So disassemble the wait. Do this all with your hand.
I think I'm correct.
Yeah, it's a little more fun. About screw first. Well, that's gonna be fast. Okay. So let these in. So let's finish screwing these down. We've done that. Ah, that was wrong. Um, We're gonna take a little bit. Finish it. You've got your computer. And if this ever doesn't work, these are the keypads. Just like and I'll try them off. Eventually we'll look for the rest of this. And it'll be awesome. Just a few minutes. Oh, Gordy. That's how. No.